Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 9. Welcome to online biology class. I'm your biology teacher from Dr. E.Q. Khan School System, Wakhan. As grade 9 student, you were studying chapter number 4, cells and tissues, and we have studied all the organelles, all the processes. The last process on page number 73, which we are going to study today, is the endocytosis and the exocytosis. These are the two processes by which cell take in food and excrete food. Just like the human beings and other animals, as you know that animals and human beings are all made up of small cells, and cells also have to gain energy to do their dedicated function inside the organ. So as human beings eat food and also excrete feces, the same is the case with the cell. The word endo meaning inside. What does it mean? Endo meaning inside or टेक इन. एंडो मीनिंग अंदर, अंदर लेके जाना. ठीक है. What is endocytosis? Cellular ingestion of bulky material by cell membrane. Okay, when the cell take in food in the form of bulk meaning very large amount, this food or these substances are taken up by the cell membrane, then this process is called endocytosis. Endo meaning inside, interior or take in. When the cell take in any kind of the exterior material with the help of cell membrane, then this process is called endocytosis. Endocytosis is divided into two types: phagocytosis and phagocytosis. What? Endocytosis is divided into two types: phagocytosis and phagocytosis. Phagocytosis literally mean cellular drinking. When the cell take in bulky material in the form of water, then this is called phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is the cellular drinking. The second is the phagocytosis. Phagocytosis is the cellular eating. When the cell is eating the food or the substances or the material or the foreign material by the cell membrane, when the cell membrane takes food or eats, then this is called phagocytosis. And when the cell do the cellular drinking, cellular meaning cell, okay, when the cell is drinking water, then this is called phagocytosis and phagocytosis. As both of the drinking and eating are taking place interior of the cell, then this is called endocytosis. Why pheno and phago are endocytosis? Because क्योंकि सेल जो अगर वाटर ड्रिंकिंग सेलुलर ड्रिंकिंग हो रही है और सेलुलर ईटिंग हो रही है, तो सब कुछ जैसे हम पानी पीते हैं, खाना खाते हैं, हमारा सब अंदर जाता है ना, तो सेल के भी अंदर ही जाता है. साइटोप्लाज्म उसको सेल मेम्ब्रेन अंदर लेके जाती है ड्रिंक और फूड को, और फिर ये यूटिलाइज होता है ऑल द ऑर्गेनल्स इनसाइड द सेल. ठीक है. एंडो मीनिंग इंटीरियर ऑफ द सेल. द सेकेंड इज एक्सोसाइटोसिस. It is the process by which bulky material is exported. एक्सपोर्ट करना, अपनी जगह से किसी दूसरी जगह पे भेजना. ठीक है. एक्सपोर्ट. एक्सो मीनिंग आउटसाइड. ओके. एक्सो मीनिंग आउटसाइड. When the cell is exporting bulky material meaning very large amount of material outside the cell, then this process will be called as the exocytosis. Okay. Endocytosis and exocytosis. Move on to book page number 73. Endocytosis. It is the process of cellular ingestion of bulky material by enfolding of cell membrane. The two forms of endocytosis are phagocytosis, cellular eating, and phagocytosis, cellular drinking. In phagocytosis, cell takes in solid material, while in phagocytosis, cell take in liquid in the form of droplets. So, whenever the phagocytosis takes place, the cell takes in as phagocytosis is cellular eating. So eating is in the form of any kind of solid. The movement of solid material inside the cell is called phagocytosis under the heading endocytosis, and phagocytosis is the taking up of liquid in the form of droplets, बूंदों की शक्ल में. ठीक है, पेज नंबर 74. Exocytosis is the transportation or exporting of the material into the outside of the cell. It is the process through which bulky material is exported. This process adds new membrane which replaces the part of the cell membrane lost during the endocytosis. Okay, endocytosis and exocytosis. बल्कि मटेरियल टू बी एक्सपोर्टेड. ठीक है, अब ये देखें कोई भी स्मॉल वैक्यूल्स बन रहे हैं और ये जो सेल के इंटीरियर से किधर जा रहे हैं, एक्सटीरियर पे. सो ये प्रोसेस यहाँ पर जो हो रहा है ये हो रहा है एक्सोसाइटोसिस, और यहाँ पर देखिए ये मटेरियल बाहर से अंदर आ रहा है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ सॉलिड, एंड द सेल इज़ टेकिंग अप द food or the material, and this is called endocytosis, moving inward and moving outward. Import. Endocytosis is the import and exocytosis is the export. Okay, Allah Hafiz, thank you.